life. Yay! So, we're going to show you cool animals that come from the sea. And I've never been to sea life before, so it's my first time as well. So, shall we go now? Here we are in the train station. We're gonna go on the train and then we're gonna go in to central London. And first we're gonna walk around a bit and show you a little bit about central London. And then we're gonna go into sea life later. And while we're waiting for our train, what would you like to do? The train's come! Finally now! We have arrived in Waterloo station and now we are going to go to like London. And did you know that this station is very big because it's a station to all the trains in England. Now we're gonna go into central London and then we're gonna go and see in the aquarium. So, let's go now.
We'll go outside now. How will we go outside now?
So, we're gonna go to Hayes Gallery and we're gonna see the big river and we're gonna see a big ship and it will look very cool. So shall we go and see now? It's the big river and the big ship because the ship is very big. It's even bigger than my arms, obviously, because ships are even bigger than child's arms. So, the big ship is going to be over there in a second, and the river is like that far away from the big ship. So say the ship was here, and the river is like only a good few meters, but not that long. So, the ship is gonna come up and it's almost as tall as this whole entire building. It's very, very cool. And if we go closer, there is water on the ship, not on it, but under the ship, and it's gonna look so cool. So let's go and take a look. I'd say maybe 5 meters maybe. And as you see in here, people throw coins in, they make wishes because it might come true. They throw it into the water and they think it might come true. And it's nice. See, most of the coins are around the ship. And I can put my hand in the water. It's very cool. So then, we're gonna see the river next. The river is gonna be like full of cool stuff. Like it is the biggest river in London, and it's like in Cairo in Egypt there's like this river which is called the River Nile, and it's the biggest river. So shall we go and see the river over there? The Tower Bridge has been opened because a boat is going to pass through, and that's why it's open, because a boat's getting very close. So it's going to come in very soon, and we're getting very close to the bridge now. So hopefully, and we're going to go on it, and then hopefully after we will go and see more of them. They're waiting for this big ship and the one behind it to go through, so then it can get to the other side, because that one can just fit under the bridge. So, and that one just needs to go under in the bridge, and it looks very big. That's why it needs for the bridge to open. That's why. And now they're going to close the bridge because all the other boats that are coming aren't actually ones that need the bridge to open for them. And it looks so cool when it's closing, because when it's closing, there's some way that cars can go on it still without the bridge going down and the cars falling into the river. So there's some way that the bridge can connect it. And that boat looks kind of like a little home thingy. Now, because the bridge gaps are bigger, the boat, the boat is going to go through the bridge gaps, and because it has this bit at the top where it's bigger, so some boats that can't fit under the road bit can go under the Tower Bridge road. And as I said, we're going to pass the whole bridge. and have some lunch, and after we'll have a little bit more seeing of London, and then we're going to go to Sea Life.
I also listened to a podcast.
It looks so cool from up here because up here is so much cooler. When it's higher, it feels like you can see it better. And also I am up here. We're on the bridge actually. It just looks like we're on the normal road with stuff and a little tower, but we're actually on the bridge. So actually it's very cool because when we're on the bridge you can see a better view of almost everything really. That's a good thing for sure. And also sometimes the bridge I can some big. Who are they waving to? Who are they waving to? Dada, who are they waving to? Dada? People on that boat are waving and they don't know who's who, but at least we got that good view of it, because otherwise we wouldn't have seen it, would we? Well, it's time to keep on going or I won't get my lunch. I'm actually quite hungry, but we will get my lunch anyway. And are going to go around this door. You can still see the river. Here's a good bit because here is that lovely view. Now the view looks completely incredible, like I've said a million times, but I literally love it. And I wonder if there's any fish there. And the water probably awesome anyway. You know, cool, but sometimes some people think that some people open the bridge in Tower Bridge, and that's how it opens. But no one knows, well, I don't know, but probably other people know, how the Tower Bridge working thing even works.
Like, a good.
Now, there was a big thing that we saw, but one time maybe, they will open the bridge, and you guys will see it in the actual thing. So it's a very nice view here, and there's a shark, the very biggest building in Europe, and